the wealth creation is very, very simple. Very, very simple. How money works. Okay. What are various rules for wealth creation? You require to understand, and you have to play long-term game. Okay. Not instant results, not short-term game, like plan long-term game. Huge results. By default, you people are going to get, man. Wealth creation is very simple. Very simple. So if you invest 10 lakhs, if you invest 10 lakhs, just 12% interest, 12% returns only. Every year 12% returns only. 30 years, if I'm not going to touch this money, 30 years, if I'm not going to touch this money, this just 10 lakhs is going to generate in the next 30 years 3 crores, man. 3 crores is going to generate in the next 30 years. 3 crores per year, 30 years, 3 crores is going to be generated, man. Can you please imagine? In the 30 years. Okay, like if I can continue another 5 years, then automatically, so it's going to generate just, I have already calculator is there. Have a look once. If I can add just another 5 years, 35 years, can you please imagine, can you please observe that? Yes, it's going to generate 5 crore 17 lakhs, just your 10 lakhs. Your 10 lakhs. So, the huge wealth creation is possible if you are going to play the game long term. Because if you are playing the game long term, what is the biggest advantage is there? Can you please confirm? What is the biggest advantage?
Compound.
That's what you people should aware. Compounding advantage is there. For the next 30 years, I don't want to touch. For the next 20 years, I don't want to touch. For the next 50 years, I will repeat this activity continuously. Like if you do that, wealth creation is a very, very easy activity, man. But most of the people lack of patience. Okay, lack of patience. If they invest somewhere, then for small requirements, automatically that money in their mind, that money is already there, right? That money is already there, right? Like they are going to take in the middle. They are going to take in the middle, and they are going to eat the principal amount, and they are going to eat the returns. Then obviously, where is the question of compounding? The bigger mistake what most of the people are doing. Are you in a position to understand?